Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. I am Iman Hussain. This is Slow English video and where you get natural English and you can boost your confidence to speak English. Today I am going to share with you magazine which is main newspaper, and if you read every single day newspaper you can get more of knowledge about different kinds of things for your learning English. And and if you look on the paper, on the newspaper article, and there are many, not thousands of types of vocabulary you can see on the newspaper. And this is a one kind of knowledge dictionary, and it is not important. It is really helpful for English. You don't need to think about others. I mean, you don't need to go to the YouTube. You don't need to go to the Facebook. You have an option. I mean, alternative option where you can get the knowledge for your English learning. Because distraction have anywhere. And if you find your destiny without clarity, so you will demotivate. That's why, and I am suggesting you that think about newspaper, and you can get all our types of vocabulary in one context, in one page or 4 page like this. You can get entertainment, knowledge, you can learn about history, you can uh, you can learn from modern world and world news, any news you can very easily think about. And whenever you will do continuously, so you will be actually greatest person for English improvement. Not only that, for general knowledge, this will really help you. So I don't want to make long this video just because this is slow English video, and you can also think about more, search on Google, YouTube about vocabulary, write down, bold your vocabulary, then after search on dictionary, first of all mark, then after bold. And I hope the strategy you can find how to bold and how to do with work with newspaper, you can very easily find it on YouTube what to do. So thank you so much. And if you aren't subscribed this channel, subscribe and follow my this video. This is quick, and this is really easiest thing. And if you do this, and I will say you and I will guarantee you that every single day my video will be better, and what I know from my inside, and I will share with you proper 100% strategy for you learning English. Thank you. See you next one. And have a good day. Wonderful day will be in your life for your learning. So thank you and see you next time.